What are the provinces belong to Mimaropa?
Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan.
Correct! What is the deepest trench in the world?
Mariana Trench.
Correct! Hundreds of million years ago, most of the land on Earth existed in the single supercontinent called what?
Pangaea.
Correct! If John's hourly wage is $15 per hour, how much money will he have earned after working 8 hours?
120.
Correct! What is the main organ of circulatory system?
Heart.
Correct! Alright! Bringing goods into a country from abroad for sale is called what?
Export.
Wrong!
Import.
Correct! Ang galing! What is the largest desert in the world?
Sahara Desert. Sahara.
Wrong! Alright.
Arabian. Arabian.
Wrong!
Antarctic. Antarctic. Kalahara.
Wrong!
Antarctic Desert.
Correct! What mineral is essential for healthy bones?
Ano? Iron.
Wrong!
Calcium. Calcium.
Correct! It is a scientific theory how the universe began.
Big Bang Theory.
Correct! Which scientist developed the theory of relativity?
Albert Einstein.
Correct! Anong mga names nila?
Rule. Antoinette po. Camille. Anna.
Thank you so much, guys!